the red line daw.
We can go here.
Huh? This is not included.
I wish.
Okay, we'll go na. Here, Dom.
Like last time.
Okay. Next time if we got the ticket. Wait, I will just show the ticket. Oh. Huh? I got already the ticket. That's just, I think I'll upgrade.
This one?
They want to play first before they go swimming. Okay, go. Wow, galing ah. Yeah, go. That's it? Just 3? Hi, Daddy and Bido. Hi, love. Okay, go. Where you went? That? Oh. Where's your card? Where's your card na?
Mommy, I'm ready.
Okay, go. Use it. Where's your card? Okay, go and you and Bido. Oh yeah. Ala. Ay, nako. Masaya na naman yung maliit, boys. Yeah. This is in Daytona Lagoon. Loves. How much credit? Madagascar? Wow. Ikaw, love. Hindi pa tapos? Let's go! Swimming time! Ooh! Saan tayo? Ito na maganda doon, no? Treasure Lagoon. Saan tayo? Init nga. Super thank you daw. Hello.
You're good. I should check his bag.
Bag daw. Go, Malinit boys. Swimming time. Yay. There's a locker there, loves. We'll put our things later. Later na. Okay, let's find our spot. Oh, nice.
Pwede ba nang mag-order ng ate?
Yeah. Hindi, ano ata yan, loves eh.
Sa mga kainan ata yan na.
Sa kainan ata yan ako.
Look, we can still do it.
Yay! Love, so we can do this, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yay! Yeah. Let's go, fight! Oh my goodness, that's too high! Look! Look at their loves! Holy cray!
I'm not doing that. I'm doing it. Let's, Mommy,
Ah.
let's do it all.
Let's do it all. Hi, Jatra. Yes, you can remove, love. Gyros, you have to grab us, ano. Hi, loves. Happy naman sila eh. Okay, one more. Put it on the opposite side, loves. Where they can hold. Opposite side. Okay, grab one for me, loves. Grab one for me.
Come on, Mommy.
I'm coming. Wait for me. Hi. 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 Okay, wow. Doon pa kundo ah. Hi, loves. Hi. Hi, boys. Dadas, where are you? Ah, it's so cold here. Hi. Hi, loves. Dito ka. Okay, careful, careful. Yan, sige, go. Hindi siya makatayo. Okay, go. Ay, sarap. Hi. Hey. You're too far na, kuya. Hoy, bida, put your ano. Not so deep. You're so happy. Okay. You have to go there to daddy. Wait, I want to go also. Hi. Hindi ako makasakay. Hi, loves. Jatra, come on. Jatra. I see you. Get one for you, please. Why you don't need it? Ah, you're big already. Aray ko. Where's Kuya, loves? Kuya is so far na. Yeah! Saan na siya? Yeah!
Dito.
Here. Dida!
Dito. Slide sila dyan, slide sila.
Faster! We'll go to the slides! Go, Jatra! Faster! Faster, love, faster! Aray! Where's Kuya? Where's Kuya na?
I don't know. He's so far away.
Where's Kuya Gyros? It's so far. Go, Veda.
Never mind.
Get one for you. We don't need it. Okay, ayun si Kuya. I can see it. I lost my eyeglasses.
Where?
I don't know. It floats. It floats.
I see Kuya. Kuya, wait.
Hi, loves. Loves, nahulog yung eyeglasses ko. Nahulog yung eyeglasses ko. Nahulog yung eyeglasses ko. It floats. Yeah. I don't know where. You can see later. Basta if you see the eyeglasses. Ah!
Post that. Post it.
That's so funny. Sarap daw. How is your swimming? Sarap? You like it? Are you happy? Are you happy, Kuya?
Of course.
Of course.
I like this.
We're gonna go there later.
Kona eye.
Your Kona eyes. Us. Hi. Woohoo. Cute daw kami. So hi. Hold mo si Bidot Loves. Oh my G, so high. Wow. Ah.
Mommy, only 2 people down.
Oh,
So you and Bidot.
Daddy si Bido. You and me.
Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah. Oh no.
Hold gloves, ha? Jetro, hold. Hold mo siya, loves. Ipitin mo ng ano.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Uy! Oh my God! It was so fun, but I cannot see anything!
Video ka?
Hindi madilim eh. It was so scary. Okay, let's go. Let's go down. Kuya wanted to try this one eh.
No.
No, you have to grab first. I think your slide. You have to grab your slide. Ouch, ang sakit sa paa. Here, you have to grab that one, oh.
It's close.
Yeah, you have to get a mat.
Where's the other one?
Ayun, oh, the blue one.
My feet are burning.
Yeah. Nice. Are you enjoying?
Definitely. That was so fun.
No, it's so fun, but I'm so scared.
Scared to
Vida, are you happy? You went with Daddy?
Dilim.
Ang dilim, no? Grabe.
Wala makita.
Nanginginig ako. Sabi ko kay Jairus, oh my G!
Last one.
Nanginginig ako kanina. Diretso kaya ako nakapikit.
Makita.
Kasi I'm scared. Okay guys, grab your ano na. Grab one. Oh yeah, we can do that. Okay, grab one. Ah. Vida, grab one. That's yours, Jetra. That's yours. Hindi, okay na. That small one for him. Okay, let's go up.
Are you supposed to land on those?
Yeah, you have to lie down on it so you can slide. Come, Daddy. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Akala ko tuyo.
Hindi.
Again. Ano?
Again! Takot ako, Lux!
Takot nga ako eh. Hindi ko.
Daig pa ako ng mga anak. Oo. Daig pa ako ng mga anak mo eh. Yes, we're gonna try this. Yay!
Pag may claustrophobia ka, ano ka na, may
Mommy, lang.
Hold video ah.
Oh!
Okay,
It's gonna be fun, Mommy.
Wait, wait.
I wish we could go the same way, but no, we can't.
Alright guys, make sure to hold on to those handles. Don't twist it. Turn
Bro, I'll take video.
Hold on in there, okay? You guys get down to the bottom, make sure that you towards the left, and if you get stuck, just wiggle, okay? Okay, guys, ready? 3, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Ay, video. Daddy. Yeah, go.
Hi.
Oh, you go with the daddy.
Okay. Hi, kuya.
Now, yeah, when I say it, you hear, so get on forward. Make sure you hold on to that whole time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Woo.
I got you, bud. Go forward.
I'm waiting for Jethro. He is going here up. Nandun sila daddy sa pinakataas. Here. Adang! Good job! Okay, I'm coming. I'm just trying to rest a little. Slowly. I don't know where's Kuya. Kuya Dadus! Hi! Which color you went?
What? I got into my nose there.
O, sige na. Let's go na to arcade.
Hey! Let's go.
10 minutes, Kuya. Umirit pa eh. Hi, Dong! Hi, Jethro! Let's go na! Say hi! How about my dog? Okay, let's go! Come na, let's go na to the arcade! Hi! Yay! Apply friend. Okay, let's go. Where next? Ah, try it. Where? Okay, go. Okay, before going home, play daw muna sila.
Sasakyan nyo natin sa
Hello. Ano yan? Oh, where's Daddy and Dido? Ah, toy store.
Tingin ako dito.
Did you enjoy? Yeah? Next time again, we'll go back. Thank you.
Ano po?
My kids are enjoying. Oh, rich.
Let's go.
Ulo nun, pag-alit mo siya, di ba? Pag nagme-message ka. Ilang naman, sir. Alam ka rin, hindi. Hindi ka trabaho ng tawag. Problema yung tawag.